We worked through our struggles, we celebrated all of our accolades, but there's still one achievement that was missing in your life. Bird wanted a family, he wanted that one girl to stand by his side. And then boom, I can remember like yesterday when he called me and he said, I met a girl in a diner. Weeks went by and Bird said he's dating a girl from the diner, her name was Kassandra. Months went by and Bird said, this is the one. And I heard it in his voice and I said, you know what? I think this kid's for real this time. I think he really means this. These two boys and that girl mean the world to me. I've seen it. It's crazy. I've never seen it like that in my life. There's not been one better achievement or accolade than what you got today, buddy.
As we journey through this world, I take solace in knowing that my soulmate will always be at my side every step of the way. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and always walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. I love you. You are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to be faithful and supportive and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I promise to encourage you, to inspire you, to laugh with you, mostly at you. I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and in bad times. When life seems easy and it's hard. When our love is simple and when it's an effort. I promise to cherish you and hold you in the highest regard as we begin this journey. I promise these things to you today and every day of our lives. You are my person, my love, today and always. I love you.
Brett, do you accept this pledge?
I do. I know that you probably never thought you'd be marrying a guy like me. A guy who lives his life on the road. Spends a lot of time away from home. But I want you to know that I take comfort in knowing that I have you. You're so beautiful. You're loving, caring, you're a great mother. You've had my back ever since I met you. You encourage me to be a better man. And I love these two boys right here too. And I'm proud of you boys. Kassandra, I pledge that I will always love you. I will always be faithful to you. I will do everything that I possibly can to always be a provider, a caretaker, a better listener, and always your best friend until I take my last breath. And I'll ask God for understanding and patience when navigating through life's obstacles and challenges. With His guidance, we can overcome anything together. I love you. Let's get married. With this ring, I thee wed. Thank you, Dad. That was supposed to be part of it.
Kassandra, do you accept this pledge?
I do.
Okay. I'm going to start again. To the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Christ and in accordance with the laws of God and the sovereign state of Tennessee.
Yeah.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. I didn't miss that. You may now kiss your bride.
I love you too. I love you too, Bill.
Mr. and Mrs. Brett Brooks.
And my shame, life's ups and downs, but God's been kind, and the downs have been just a few. I guess you could say that I've been lucky. Well, I guess you could say it's all because of you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, oh, you'd be there between each line of pain and glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
I love you.
I love you too. You know what?
It couldn't have gone any better, except the sweat.
I took my handkerchief though. You look so amazing.
We're married.
You're my wife.
You're my husband. Boom, we did it. You messed it up.
He messed it up. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks,
It's all right.
Dad.
You still did
We
good.
finally said it right. With or without you.
Well, you said I do, but I never did. So legally, I'm not married. I'm still off the hook.
What? I know, I saw that. I noticed it later.
Oh, by the way, you.
Do you like it? Why are you crying? You get it. Why are you crying?
Because you're a good woman. You know what we're gonna do together? Live. We're gonna have a great life together.